Is your Nintendo Switch games keep crashing or refusing to launch? It could be due to corrupted data in the game files or an incomplete update that didn't install properly. Luckily, the Switch has a built-in tool to check and repair this. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to check for corrupt data on your Nintendo Switch. So let's begin. First up, open System Settings. In the menu, scroll down to Data Management. On the right side, open Manage Storage. Now select the game that is giving you trouble. Scroll down on this menu a bit. Here's the Check for Corrupt Data option. Tap on it. Your Switch will now scan the selected game's data. If no problems are found, you'll see a confirmation message. If corrupted data is detected, the system will prompt you to re-download the affected files from the internet. Now sometimes, corrupt data is just an outdated, incomplete update. There's a fix for that too. Press your home button to go back to your home menu. Now highlight your problematic game on your home menu. Press the plus button on the right Joy-Con. You'll see a software update option here. Select it. Now tap via the internet. If there are any possible updates that is causing the problem, your game will now receive them, and that will fix your corrupt data problems. And that's it. That's how you check and fix corrupt data on your Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with which game was giving you trouble. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.